For Mohamed Abdulaziz, deputy chairman of Argelant and Bros Group, a well-established Saudi textile company which has been investing in China for more than 20 years, China's optimization of its COVID response was a strategic decision with a far-reaching impact felt across the globe.
طبعا الصين هي بلد مهم وتم أخذ قرار استراتيجي وذو فائدة كبيرة.
The Riyadh-based group inaugurated its first garment factory in China in the early 2000s. Shandong Lawrence Textile Corporation Limited, located in the city of Zaozhuang, East China's Shandong province, has become a leading exporter in the city.
نحن في الصين لنا تقريبا 23 سنة كصناعة ومصانع في جمهورية الصين الشعبية. علاقتنا ممتدة وقديمة. نجد انه في الصين بلد جذاب للاستثمار، بلد داعم للاستثمار، بلد يقدم الحوافز، يقدم الدعم ويتعامل مع الشركات الأجنبية.
Mohammed, also chairman of Saudi Chinese Business Council, believes that the Chinese economy will maintain sound growth momentum and remain a strong motor for the growth of the global economy.
كما ذكرت لك الصين هي مصنع العالم، هي بلد مهم وبلد استراتيجي وبلد كبير وبلد عظيم بعدد سكانه وبإمكانياته الصناعية وبإمكانياته الاقتصادية وبإمكانياته المالية. اليوم الصين هي دافع قوي لنمو الاقتصاد العالمي والاستمرار.
Mohammed's optimism is shared by experts across the globe. In late January, the International Monetary Fund lifted its forecast for China's economic growth in 2023 to 5.2% from a previous prediction of 4.4%.
I'm very confident on this. I mean, all the economic parameters are already there. Already you have actually an increase in terms of GDP. Then effectively you will have a huge bounce back.
Sada po svojoj veličini i stopi rasta one je lokomotiva rasta ukupnog svjetskog bruto domaćeg proizvoda.
The only way to have a recovery, a world recovery, is to have a very big country, the economic engine of the world, to start again. And I don't think there is a better country than China to sort of be the engine of growth which will be able to get the world out of the doldrums created by the pandemic.
Largely due to its very, very strong investment in education, in research. They are leading already in certain emerging areas. So as we move towards the new economy, the more advanced economy, it's likely that China will continue to be at the forefront in all dimensions, both in manufacturing, in technology, and also in human development. It's a market that is likely to continue being very resilient, very strong, and one that we can rely on for future as our strong partners.
So if China does well, the rest of the world does well. If China does well, it pulls the rest of the world.